What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I have some baked ranch chicken, my cucumbers, and the sweet peppers. I hope you guys are having a great Monday and you stayed safe during the weekend. So let's get started. Grab something to eat and come eat with me. I don't have anything to dip because I didn't feel like having any dip today. So we're just doing it everything the way it is. I love the crispy skin. No, these just came out of the oven, so I'm gonna give them some time to cool down. Or not. So how was your guys' weekend? What'd you guys do? I know if you're in California, where I'm from, in Sacramento, it was raining all weekend. You guys like chicken skin? I don't know if you guys can see the steam. Still hot. So for this week, I think I'm gonna do two mukbangs with Filipino dishes. I'm gonna make a chicken stew dish, which is called chicken fritada, and no, scratch that. I'm gonna make that, and I'm gonna make some soul food. I've been craving greens. I'm gonna try to make homemade mac and cheese. I've never made mac and cheese before, but I made the greens. I made fried chicken, and I'm gonna make some cornbread. I was thinking of these ideas while I was in bed, going to sleep. And it reminded me of the first time I've had collard greens was at a friend's house. His mom made them, and they were so good. I liked how she put diced tomatoes and onions on top of them and a little vinegar. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to eat them, but the flavor, the texture, the freshness of the onion and tomato made it taste so good. So the chicken frittata will be for tomorrow, and then Wednesday I'll do the soul food. I'm gonna be honest, it doesn't really taste like ranch, but you can taste a hint of it, but it's not as flavorful as I was expecting it to be. I don't know what I have to do to get that kick of ranch. Less than 2 months until 2022. I don't know how to feel about that, but I am excited. I mean, it is a new year, and I don't try to hype myself up saying I'm gonna do a resolution. I just tell myself that, you know, make a goal, make it realistic, and there's ups and downs to every journey, so don't be so hard on yourself if you're not at the place that you want to be. Takes baby steps. I actually wish I had some hot sauce. My go-to hot sauce is Tabasco. I have another blackberry lemonade to drink. Anyways, guys, I'm full. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment, and consider subscribing. And also turn on your notifications so you get notified whenever I post new videos. And also share this video with friends and family. And until I see you again, bye.